Today, Yushin will prepare dates butter cake. So it's just a simple recipe of butter cake, but we plan to put dried dates in our butter cake. Let's see how will that taste. First, we need to prepare all of the ingredients. So we have 100 grams of butter. The butter should be in room temperature. Okay, let's soften our butter using our mixer. After that, we need to add 100 grams of white sugar. So basically, we'll be using 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of white sugar, 100 grams of flour, that's all-purpose flour, and then we'll be adding just 2 eggs. Okay, so we have already measured our white sugar. See, that's 100 grams. Oh, look at the other ingredients. Okay, now it's time to add our sugar. And give it a little mix. Then we're ready to use our mixer. Mix, 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 mix. Now we're ready to add in 2 whole eggs. So I did not set aside the white part of the eggs. I put 2 whole eggs. Let's add it in there. Boom! And give it a little mix again. Where are you, stand mixer? Wow, the texture is really nice after mixing 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of white sugar, and 2 whole eggs. Now the texture is just perfect. We're ready to add our tablespoon of calamansi juice. So I just have 1 tablespoon of calamansi juice that will give special flavor to our butter cake. Whenever you smell your butter cake, you would remember the calamansi muffins, which is very popular in Boracay. Now let's prepare our all-purpose flour. We need 100 grams to match in the other ingredients. There, you see it's 100 grams. Oh, Yushin is interrupting in my baking. He loves to mix the ingredients. Yushin, we need to get back to work. Okay, don't forget to use your sifter. We need fine flour in our butter cake because we need to get it really special. Give it a little mix. Oh, don't forget the half teaspoon of baking powder. I almost forgot that. Mix, mix, mix. Mix it with Yushin. Mix it thoroughly until you have or reach the fine texture. We're ready to add in the dried dates. That's almost our final mix. And Yushin went in there again. While I'm preparing the pan, then he went on mixing all of the ingredients and he would almost eat it. Don't eat the batter. It's not yet cooked. I have a heart-shaped baking pan. Oh, this butter cake is just enough for a breakfast. I can eat all of those. Cover it with aluminum foil. If you don't have an oven, there isn't a problem about that. We can use our cauldron. Put 1/4 cup of salt in your cauldron. Put in your cake in there, cover it, and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes of playing with Ray-Ban, here it is. Let's check if it's already cooked. Oh, and it's done. This will be a really fluffy butter cake made special with dates and calamansi juice. Let's put some dried dates and almonds on the sides. Yay! Look how fluffy that is. Wow! I'm ready to have my breakfast. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe for more videos.